Hello students, welcome in the chemistry class 12th, and today the topic is P block elements with subtopic oxo acids of phosphorus. We will discuss about the oxo acids of phosphorus, their variations and comparisons. Oxo acids of phosphorus, the main conditions for oxo acids are, कौन कौन सी इसमें सबसे ज़रूरी चीज़ें हैं, जो सबसे ज़रूरी पॉइंट्स हैं जो होने चाहिए, उसको हम स्टडी करेंगे। एटॉमिक नंबर फॉस्फोरस का 15 है। इट बिलोंग्स टू 15 ग्रुप एंड इट फॉर्म्स नंबर ऑफ ऑक्सो एसिड्स। ये कई ऑक्सो एसिड्स बनाता है, +1, +3, +5 ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट के साथ। उसके अलावा भी ये अदर ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट्स में भी ऑक्सो एसिड्स बनाता है, जैसे हाइपोफॉस्फोरस एसिड, फॉस्फोरस एसिड, ऑर्थोफॉस्फोरिक एसिड, पायरोफॉस्फोरिक एसिड, हाइपोफॉस्फोरिक एसिड, मेटाफॉस्फोरिक एसिड। बेसिक स्ट्रक्चर फॉर द ऑक्सो एसिड्स। Number 1. It has tetrahedral arrangement in which phosphorus is central element. Phosphorus tetrahedral form में है due to sp3 hybridization. Presence of oxo bond. एक p double bond O that is oxo bond होना जरूरी है. At least one hydroxy group. फॉस्फोरस के साथ एटलीस्ट 1 OH अटैच होना जरूरी है। नंबर ऑफ हाइड्रोक्सी ग्रुप रिप्रेजेंट्स बेसिसिटी ऑफ द एसिड। कितने प्रोटॉन्स ये दे सकता है, इसकी बेसिसिटी क्या है, दैट डिपेंड्स अपॉन नंबर ऑफ OH ग्रुप अटैच्ड विद द फॉस्फोरस। इफ 1 OH group is attached, it is monobasic. If 2 OH groups are present, it is dibasic or diprotic. Diprotic means it can give 2 protons in aqueous medium. Presence of pH bond in oxo acids represents the reducing character. So these are the main conditions for the oxo acids of phosphorus. Hypophosphorus acid. Its formula is S3PO2. Here oxidation state of phosphorus is +1. And its structure is tetrahedral. It is monobasic or monoprotic because it releases one H positive ion in aqueous medium. It acts as a reducing agent because it is having pH bond, so it acts as a reducing agent. Phosphorus acid. Its formula is S3PO3. Oxidation state is +3. Again, shape is tetrahedral as usual. It is diprotic or dibasic due to presence of 2 OH group, hydroxy group attached to phosphorus. Again, it releases 2 H positive ion in aqueous medium, so it is diprotic in nature. It is reducing agent as well as oxidizing agent. It has oxidation state. It can be explained because it has oxidation state +3, which can be increased as well as decreased. Example, S3PO3, when heated, it gives phosphoric acid and phosphine. In the formation of phosphoric acid, oxidation state changes from +3 to +5, that is oxidation. In conversion of S3PO3 to PH3, oxidation state is changing from +3 to -3. Oxidation state is decreasing, that is reduction. So this protonation is the reaction where a single compound split into 2 compounds, 2 products. In one case, its oxidation state is increasing, and in second case, its oxidation state is decreasing. Orthophosphoric acid. Orthophosphoric acid has formula H3PO4. Here oxidation state of phosphorus is +5. Shape is tetrahedral because it is having 3 OH group attached to phosphorus, so it is triprotic or tribasic in nature. Again, in aqueous medium, it releases 3 H positive ions. It is a strong oxidizing agent. It is used to acidify foods and beverages such as various colas, jams and cold drinks, providing a tangy or sour taste. Pyrophosphoric acid. Molecular formula is H4P2O7. Phosphorus has oxidation state +5. It is also known as diphosphoric acid as it can be obtained by heating phosphoric acid. After dehydration of phosphoric acid, 2 molecules lose 1 water molecule and form pyrophosphoric acid. It is tetrabasic, tetraprotic in nature. It releases H positive and 4 in number in aqueous medium. It is an ingredient of radiopharmaceutical used to visualize bone abnormalities and cardiovascular abnormalities. Hypophosphoric acid. Formula is H4P2O6. Oxidation state of phosphorus is +4. Tetrabasic in nature. It also releases 4 H positive ion. In hypophosphoric acid, 2 phosphorus atoms are identical and joined directly by a P-P bond. It is used as bleaching agent for plastics and fibers. Metaphosphoric acid. Its formula is HPO3. Oxidation state is +5. Shape is planar triangular. It is monobasic in nature as it can release only 1 H positive ion. It is oxidizing agent due to POH bond. It is polymeric in nature and most common is trimetaphosphoric acid, and it is the only oxo acid of phosphorus which is cyclic in nature. Now, question for practice. On the basis of above discussion, we can have the questions and you have to find out their answers. Number 1, what is major requirement in structure of oxo acid of phosphorus? That is P double bond O, oxo bond and 1 OH attached to phosphorus. Number 2, draw the structures of orthophosphoric acid, phosphorus acid and metaphosphoric acid. Orthophosphoric acid is tribasic in nature. Explain. You can explain because it is releasing 3 H positive ions. Phosphorus acid diprotic, it can release 2 H positive ions. Why hypophosphorus acid acts as reducing agent? Because it is having PH bond, hydrogen attached to phosphorus. Phosphorus acid disproportionate. Why? So you can give the answer because on heating it gives 2 compounds. In one case oxidation state increases, in second case oxidation state decreases. Next question, why phosphorus acid is oxidizing as well as reducing agent? Because same is the answer as the last question. It can increase as well as decrease its oxidation state. And next question is explain orthophosphoric acid is oxidizing agent. Which oxo acid is most reducing and which is most oxidizing in nature? So you can give the answer. Which of the oxo acid has cyclic structure? It is metaphosphoric acid. So these are the oxo acids of phosphorus, their structures, their comparison, the question for practice, and it is all for today. Thank you.